I'm excited to introduce you all to standards-based grading. This is the easiest auto grading to set up for our open response pages, whether that's written response or spoken open response. So looking at our first example here, we've set up a prompt and then we've included standards-based grading using the actual standards, and we're going to have a target here for the students of novice mid. So let's look at how this works for our students. C. So we're analyzing the response here, looking to see if this meets our benchmark of novice mid. Okay, so we're coming in at novice low here. That's our estimated proficiency level of our response. And we're going to get a little bit of feedback here to work with. It's a great start, directly answers the question. To reach novice mid, you'll want to move beyond single words and start using simple, short sentences to share basic personal information. Okay, now let's look at the suggested response and see if this can help us out. Okay, now let's try again. Sí, tengo 3 hermanos. This time we've added a little more context. And we can see here we've made it to the novice mid level, and we've received the points for this activity. Now let's try a novice high example. Okay, describe your family and your relationship. Hola, mi nombre es Austin. En mi familia hay 6 personas. Tengo 3 hermanos y mis padres. Cuando estamos juntos, nos gusta hacer cosas como comer comida muy rico. And in this case, we've set the target level to novice high. So we can see we've reached this level, we've gotten some feedback, and we're getting an indication of a grammar mistake made here. Now, how do we set up standards-based auto grading? In our open responses, whether this is a spoken open response or a written open response, we simply add in our prompt, go into the automatic grading, choose standards-based here, determine which standard we'd like to use, and then select the target level here. We can also decide here if we would like to add in additional feedback for students to receive. So the grammar mistake markup that we saw earlier was the grammar insights, and suggested response was the model response we looked at there.